Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to import fonts in Capcut PC. To do that, go to your Google and type in free fonts, and over here there's a nice website called The Font. Just click on it, and over here, for example, choose this font and click download over here on the right side, and I will save my fonts here. Okay, just go to your folder where you saved your fonts. Okay, now we have our fonts here, so just right click on it, go over here, extract here, and your font will be extracted here in the OTF format. You can see it over here. Double click on it, and over here it says install. Just click install, close it, open your CapCut, click on your project. Over here go to the text, you can drag default text over here, select it, and under the font just scroll down that says system fonts. Over here that says system font, and you can see your font to be the first. Okay, over here, Black Future. Just select it and you have your custom font. If you find it helpful, let me know in the comments below. Have a nice day, and bye bye.